Hello everyone, I want to welcome you once again to the masterclass. So far so good. I like the way you are submitting your assignment on the page. This will motivate others who haven't started watching the video to start watching on the video so that we can all be at the same pace. Online learning is not easy, but with discipline and consistency, you can able to achieve whatever you want to achieve. So I want to motivate you that don't relax. At least watch a video a day and practice along. If you have any questions, put it on the platform, and if your colleagues are not able to answer, then I will come as a facilitator to provide answers to that question. So without wasting my time, let's move to the launching of our SBA app. So I'm launching it. So we stop at the report. Make sure you create the query for the broadsheet. Very important. If you haven't done it, make sure you have created it for all. And then today we are going to forms. But before we go to forms, so far we were able to create tables. We were able to create queries. And now let's go to forms. As I have said earlier in our beginner lesson, Microsoft Access deals with 4 objects. And these 4 objects are tables, queries, forms, and reports. If you master these objects, you are done. And you add some VBA programming code to this, you become a pro in the use of Microsoft Access. Now we want to create form for registry. So we want to create form for registry. So let's go to the registry query. So be on the registry query. So this registry query. Then go to create. Go to create and go to forms. Under the forms, you have a lot of options. You have the form design, blank form wizard, and our navigation. We'll look at horizontal tabs, vertical tab line, and left, vertical tab right, horizontal tab. These are for navigation. We want to create our navigation bar. We'll use this. Very nice approach. Okay. Now let's move down. Let's go to, now we want to go to more forms. So we're going to use an amount for have multiple items. We have data sheet, split forms, and modal dialog. So we are going to select the first option. So the system is creating the form for you. So now form is being created. Now we have created a form for us, and this form is in, if you look at it, it is in layout view. So let's change it to design view. So come to the view and change it to design view. This is design view. Now let's delete this icon over here. Delete it. That's correct. Now this label is too long. Let's resize it. It's a label. Let's resize it. Now let's come inside, delete everything inside, and write the registry form. So registry what? registry form. So let's resize it. So resize it. Resize it. That's perfect. Now we can see we have picture. Let me see if you have picture. Yeah, you will remove the picture. This picture action. I want to remove it. So delete it. Delete it for now. And resize the form. Okay. Now this is what to do. We can see that the people's ID is too long. So come here. We don't want to have this, so delete everything here and write people's in capital letters. People's ID. Resize it. Click here. No. Click here. And resize it. Okay. Come here. Delete what is there. Write people's name. These are the names, but don't touch here. So resize this one also. So click here. Click on inside. And resize it. Delete what is here and write gender. And then resize it. So if you want to resize it, you see, it will change. The arrow have to come to 2-directional arrow. That's correct. Here you change it to attendance. So clean everything, delete everything, write the attendance. So resize it, select it. So attendance. Attitude. Resize, select it. And resize, no? Resize it. It's okay. Then the contacts, screen, delete everything. Then write contact. Select it. Scroll there. And then resize it. Interest. Then dot. Come here. And resize it. Now come to the form. This space you want to resize the shape. Let's resize it to here. Okay. That's perfect. Now click on the header. And we want to change, go to format, change the color to black. Change it to black. No, we don't want that. Undo. Come to fonts and change it to black. That's perfect. So select the whole of this. See how I select it? Select the whole of this and give it a bold it, and then give it a black color. Now reduce the space here. That's okay. Let's view it. Go to home and let's view it and see. So go to form view. Let's see something. Okay, we don't like the spacing. We don't like the spacing. We don't like the spacing. So let's do something. Change it to design view again. Change to design view. Now select the whole of this and send it down. Okay, this one, and select and send it down. That's one to go down. Select it. Now you can select the whole. If you click here, then move it down. Okay, now this is what we do. You see what I'm doing it. So move it down. Move it down. So move it down. So select it and move it down. So you see two-dimensional, and then you can, okay. So click here to select everything. Click here. So if you come here, just click here. No, you can select the whole of this. After you select the whole of that, it will change into this arrow. Then you bring it down. Let's undo that. Okay, so I believe it's okay now. Now resize this place. Now let's resize the whole of this. Select these two and resize it. Okay, undo that. It's giving us problem. Okay, select the whole of this. Okay, let's undo that. Select this, bring it down, bring it down. The line is too big, it's okay, so let's bring it to this direction and select this, and let's also bring it. Anytime I want to bring it down, I realize there's a inconsistency somewhere, so I'll send it to the top. Okay, so I want this to be on the header should contain this. Okay, so I'll resize this one. Okay, it's not easy, eh? Let's undo that. Let me view my form and see what is happening. First of all, I'll reduce this space in between, and then I'll reduce the space. Let me view my form and see. No, this is not what I expect. This is not what I expect. So click here. It's not what I expect. Actually, I wanted the header to contain I'll give it a different color. Okay, so you have to undo the form. Have to undo to get something. So I'm doing the process again. I believe yes. Okay. So let me view the form and see. Come here, go to form view. Actually, the spaces are too much for me. I don't want that. I want this one to come down. So let me change. Let me see layout view. Layout view is not nice. Let me come to design view. So select this, select the header, right click and go to fill or back color and give it a white color. Okay, let's view our form and see. Okay, let's come back to the design view. I want to select the whole of this and resize it. Okay, I want to resize it. So select this thing. We want to resize it. Anytime we want to resize it select this one, which we don't want. So it's causing us a lot of problem. Let me select again and see. No. Undo the process. Give me some few seconds. Let me do something. So now select the whole of this and reduce the size, which I did. I'll reduce the size. Okay. I'll reduce the size. Now select the whole of this. This one we want to give us problem. This top one thing I want to give us. So resize it. Resize it. So resize it. Okay, now I believe it's now perfect. Okay, now close this gap. Now let's view it and see. Now it's perfect now. Now we can see some line. We need to close that line. Okay, so come to design view. So we need to close it again. So let's see how it look like. It's not bad. So select the whole of this, and then we want to see, come here, we want to reduce the size small. Okay, now click on the footer and then send it. Let's see how it look like. Now it's perfect. Now the size is okay. Now we want to add a rectangle over here. So go to design view. Go to, these are the controls. So click here and look for rectangle. This rectangle. Click here and then draw a very big rectangle. Okay. Now click on a rectangle. Let me undo and see. Let me go and take the rectangle again. So I'll draw the rectangle to here. I'll be on the rectangle and go to format and go to shape fill, and I'll choose my favorite color, that blue. That's my favorite color, and that's my favorite color. And then I'll right click and I'll go to position, send to back. Okay, and this label, let me, and I'll change this to white. So let me adjust the rectangle. Let me view it and see how it look like. Okay. You can see there's too much space over here. Let's remove the spaces. There's too much space. So let's increase it, and then let's move this one to the top. And let's, sorry, no, undo that. I want to select only the controls. Okay, so let's see if I can move it top. It doesn't want to move, so I'll undo, and then I'll maintain it as it was. So I'll undo. So I'll just increase the size of this rectangle. Let me bring this rectangle. Let me come. Let me send it here. Okay. So I want to bring this back again. So I want to bring it back so that I can move this one well and change the color to white. Change it to white. This one. Change this one to white. So that if I move this one, it's not what I want to achieve. Oh, I want to do that. Actually, I want this one to have a, okay, I want the font color to be white. That's what I want. Okay. And then I'll remove the outline. I believe there's an outline. Shape fill, white. And then let me see the outline. Say transparent. So let me move this. Still, I'm just getting that effect. So let's go to shape fill. I want it to be transparent. Now let me move it and see. That's correct. That's correct. So I want to select the whole of this and see if I can move it. Anytime I want to move it, it gives me that feedback. So let me undo that. Let me see something here. So this one should come down. This one should come down. Now let me increase this one. Okay, let's see how it look like. It's looking nice. It's better. It's better. It's better than before. So we want to let's redo the this thing. Let's put it the alignment should be in the middle. Okay. So let's go to the view. Change it to this one. Select the whole of this. And then go to format. And then it should be in center. Let's go to home and view the form and see. Now everything is looking perfect. Now I want to remove this color. There's an utility corner over here which I don't prefer. So let's do that. So first of all, let's save your work. So Ctrl X to save it as what? Just save form registry. So we write the delete the what in the small letters. So this is the name. So let's see the layout. Let's see the layout view. This is how the layout view it is. The layout view display how the form will look like. That's the layout view. This is how the form will look like. We want to remove the grid lines. Want to remove the grid lines. So let's come to the design view. Alternative row color. Want to put it in to white. Okay. See, put it to white. Oh, let's see. Let's undo that. Let's select the whole of this. Alternative row color. Set it to no color. Let you know color. So let's select all the controls. Oh, undo that. Select all the controls. No. Select all. Let's go to change the view. Change it to design view. Okay. And then go to format. And then change the fake color to transparent. And then shape outline to transparent. So let's view the form and see how it look like. No. I don't want it like that. Let's undo that. Let's change it to, and let's change it. At least there should be some line. Let's see. This is nice. This is nice. So change the view to layout. Change it to layout view. Then click this button to select everything. Then go to arrange and go to grid line and select both. That's perfect. Now let's resize this one. Okay. Our form is looking nice. Okay. That's perfect. So go to home and change the view to layout view. Okay. Select the whole of this. Click on this to select everything. This thing. No. Click on this to select everything. When you select everything, go to format and go to shape outline and make it transparent. That's it. So we need to change this to a combo box. Change this to a combo box. Okay, you want to change this to a combo box. If you don't know what if you drag it, it will go down. So don't do that. Okay. So select here. We want to change this control to a combo box. So right click, then go to change to and select combo box. Okay. You change to combo box. Now go to data. Go to data and go to row source. We know we have created a table for gender, so that when the user click on this combo box, let me go to home and change the form to form view. So here, if I click here, you see there's no value over here. There's no value. We want to ensure that when we click on this drop down arrow, we're able to select the options. So let's go back to view, layout view. Now you select this and go to data. Click on data and go to row source. Click here. go to the three dots over here, and then it is found on the table. It's on table gender. What is it? This is table. Select it, double click on it, then close this. You want this one to appear, so double click here, and then save. Don't save as, just click on close, then save. Okay, so now when we change the view to form view, we can select it. You see, so we can select coffee as what? Male. This one female. Okay, you see that automatically it is given as the so let me undo. Here you can add the attendance yourself. Now let's do it for this one also. So change the view to layout view, select here, then go to data. Are you sure? First of all, select here and right click and change it to combo box. After you change it to combo box, go to data and go to raw source, and click on the three arrow there. And then what we are doing is for what? Is it attitude? I have to close it. Let me close it and go. It's attitude. Okay, it's attitude. So attitude. So click on the three arrow dot over here and select attitude. Where is attitude? It's the first one. So click on add. Then close this. We only need the attitude name. So double click to add. And then Control S to save your work. Then you can close this and you close this. So let's do it for this one also. Select here. Right click. Go to change to combo box. Come here also. Right click. Change to combo box. Now be here. Here, if you change it to it should be in combo box. We have changed it to combo box. Okay. So come to the layout view. Go to format. Okay. Okay. So let me see, it is in layout view, right? So we need to bring the details over here. Coming, so okay. Let me check something over here. Okay, so we are on the layout view. So you go to layout, you click on design, and you go to property sheet. So that you bring the property sheet. So you are on the conduct. So go to the three dots over here, and then that's conduct. So conduct. Sorry, I don't know, it's attitude. It's supposed to be attitude. Okay, attitude. Let me check. Let me close this. Let me check if you have done for the attitude. I'm a little bit confused. Don't mind me. Okay, we have done for the attitude. We've done for the attitude. So let me select some hardworking, lazy. Okay, so let's change the view to layout. So you can use this to change the layout. So you are going to conduct. So click on the row source, click on the three dots. That's contact. Double click to select it. Close this. And we need the contact name. Save your work. Ctrl X to save. Ctrl S to save. Then close. Come here. Go to design. And go to property sheet. And change this interest. So select interest. Close this. We want the interest name. So then Ctrl S to save. Close it. And then let's change the view to form view. So here we can add respectful. Here we can add humble. Here the interest. We can add rhyming. Okay. Here we can add music. So if you click on refresh. So if you go to the let's check something. Go to the table registry. You can see all the details has appear here automatically. Okay, so let's come to the form again. Let's add one student. Let's say Saturday Moses. Okay, let's use constack. This is our form. We are not going to use the table. We are going to use the form to enter the details of students. So let's say it's male. Let's add another person, Mary. And it's a female. The attendance is 50. She had 45. Constack is a hardworking guy. Mary is dependable. The attitude is conduct is calm. Then he's approachable. Like reading. And then he like sports. So if you click on refresh and you go to your table registry, refresh, click on refresh, you will see all the details displaying over there. So if you go to the creative art brush sheet, you will see those names appearing. That's powerful. I hope you are enjoying the lesson. That's good. So let's save our work. We'll stop here and we continue.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course.